Hey guys, welcome to our weekly series where we take a look at the very best animation designs that are out there and then talk about what we like about them. Make sure that you let us know in the comments below what your favorite designs are because we love to hear from you and we read every single comment. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. To get us started this week, we have this great little visualizer which shows us exactly what the company does. That way we don't have to have a lot of explanative text on a landing page, for instance. I like the 3D animation. It's really smooth and clear, and the colors are nice and bright and pop against the otherwise minimalist design. Next up, we have a redesign concept for Zara Home. The design is very simple and elegant with a little pop of modernity in that the transition when you click on each item. And it's just a little surprise for an otherwise very classic design. It's just those little touches that keep users wanting to stay on the website, continue shopping, and look for any other little exciting elements just like this transition. Just a quick note, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot of cool content coming out soon. Up next, we've got this animated presentation for an app. Although the animations are really simple here, it is definitely more exciting than just looking at plain screens. I like that the design elements are bright and playful and use a mix of illustrations as well as photography. Next up, this design uses a really clean layout with a focus on this app. I like the use of layers, which just make this presentation a lot more interesting and branded. And the animations are minimal but very purposeful and just kind of enhance the overall user experience. Up next, a completely different design. This one feels modern in a very different way. It's a much more photography heavy with a mix of both very small and very large font. That juxtaposition is very interesting and draws in the eye. It's something that gives it that modern touch. The landing page is organized on a grid and really balances those two sides, one having the photography and the other having a text, so it's very clear to navigate. Next, we have this really simple, minimal, and very modern animation that uses different shades of white and gray to create this really smooth motion of blocks moving up and then slowly stacking back down. I can really see this as part of a larger animation, or perhaps just a way of creating a little bit of visual interest as part of a landing page, perhaps for a startup or some sort of tech industry company. This calendar dashboard animation is both clean and organized with a neutral color palette with these pastels that make it really easy to visually see what you have to do in a certain week. The design is both intuitive and clean, which helps the user in reducing cognitive load by clearly being able to visualize their week at a glance. And last but not least, I think this animation speaks for itself. We have this really cool, almost shower curtain texture transition of a hand pulling the next page and then slowly dropping to the floor. This is just a way of showcasing different textures and is really fun. That's it for this week, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite design was. We would love to hear from you. Make sure to click that notification button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We post every single Monday. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.